A very happy morning to one and all. Today we are going to discuss about artificial respiration. What is artificial respiration? The artificial respiration is provided to a person who has stopped breathing because of smoke inhalation, drowning, or electric shock. It is also called as mouth to mouth method, and it is a commonly employed method for artificial respiration. Let us see how this method is performed when in an emergency situations. The neck of the patient is lifted by placing one hand under it, and the head is tilted backward as far as possible to prevent the blockage of the upper respiratory tract by the tongue. In addition, the lower jaw may be pulled forward so that the lower teeth are in front of the upper teeth. This will pull the tongue, which is attached to the lower jaw, away from the posterior pharyngeal wall. The mouth of the operator is sealed round the patient's mouth to prevent air leakage. The nose of the patient is now closed with fingers or by pressing the cheek against the nose. Air is blown into the patient's mouth until the chest is seen to expand. The mouth is then removed and the chest watched while expiration takes place. The process should be repeated 12 to 15 times. And the same artificial respiration can also be done in infants. The mouth may be applied over both mouth and nose. Thank you.